So hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna be performing the proper way of blocking an application in the Windows firewall. So first is you have to access the Windows firewall. So you have to Windows and then open Windows Defender, okay. Here it is, Windows Defender Firewall. And then, as you can see, it displays the Windows Defender Firewall features. So in order to get through on blocking, you have to click advanced settings, or if there's no advanced setting feature in your firewall, you can click the Windows Defender Firewall Advanced Security window. So in this, you can see a feature of a Windows Defender Firewall, the inbound rules and outbound rules. So these are rules for incoming and outgoing connections. So since we're going to block an application, we have to click the outbound rules. And with this, you can see in the on the left side an action feature, and then you're going to click the new rule. So you have to choose a rule type, either a program, a port, a predefined, or custom. So if you click program, you have to click next. And then browse, you have to browse an application. So you have to name the file new rule, and then you're going to click the eraser. And then that's the path of the rule that you have clicked. And then you're going to click next. And then next, it displays here that what action should be taken when a connection matches the specified conditions. There are options. So first one is allow the connection. So this includes connections that are protected with IP security as well as those are not. And second is allow the connection if it is secure. So this includes only connections that have been authenticated by using IP security connections that will be secured using the settings and IP security properties and rules in the connection security rule node. So, and the third one is the block the connections. So since we're going to block and applications, you're going to click next. And then next is when does this rule apply in the domain, which is applies when a computer is connected to its corporate domain. Private applies when a computer is connected to a private network location such as a home or workplace. And third is the public. It applies when a computer is connected to a public network um location. So typically, you'll want to select all of them to block the application regardless of the network type. So you have to click next. And then it displays here the name and description. So you have to put a name. So I'm going to name it new rule. And then description is it is optional. So you have to click finish. And then there it goes. If you want to disable a rule, you're going to just click that and enable the rule, and that will block the application either in the public domain, private domain, and in the network or computer connection. So since you've made the new rule, it will enable a rule to block an application that you want to block. So that's it for the proper way of blocking a firewall application in your system.